going to be another unboxing video. Now, I've not done one of these for quite a while, so hope you'll enjoy it. Now, in here is the latest acquisition from Very catalogue, so it's all my own money bought with. It is a Russell Hobbs bean to cup coffee machine. It only arrived about half an hour ago and I can't wait to get it open. So, here goes. I've already taken the liberty of opening up, so let's just back in there nicely. Get rid of that. There's the return form if I need to return. So let's get it round the right way. Yeah, so this is the Russell Hobbs Chester Grind and Brew coffee machine. It comes with a 3-year guarantee, great tasting bean to cup, 24-hour timer, quiet brew, which is up to 60% quieter apparently. Yeah, so it comes with a timer. It's digitally external water window. It's a 12 cup capacity. Try saying that after a few drinks or a few coffees. And there's a permanent filter. Now I already have, I think it's a Russell Hobbs 1 cup coffee machine, which I'll go and get for you. Bear with me. Okay, so let's take a trusty Stanley knife and carefully cut along. Oh, try not to. Be careful not to cut anything inside. I use one of these at work, and I have to be careful when I'm cutting into the boxes because I work in the goods in area. Okay, so instructions. Don't you can see that. Let's go up a bit. Yeah. So instructions. Various bits of cardboard. Packaging. Oh wow! So let's put this on the floor, and then there she is in her entirety. Spin the table around. Okay, so the main plug. Put this all the way around so you guys want to see. Bag on the bottom. Cut this. It's tied but very tightly. We'll just do. Okay. And we'll get there in a minute. There's more packaging inside. What's in there? Nothing. Okay. I'll get this one off and we should do bits falling out. Okay, so here she is. Let's get. There's the. Oh, it's even got a measure. So there's the jug or carafe as it's called. More packaging. It's very well packed. Right, so. Oops, I've nearly knocked that off. We'll get there. So I always keep packaging for at least a year. Because in the first year you have to return the item. Wow. That looks good. Okay. Everything's stickered down as well. So obviously your jug goes in there. Okay, what have we got here? Take that off, and obviously for travelling. Okay, so let's bring you in a bit closer. That's better, a bit closer now. Okay, so this is, wow, that's your, where the coffee goes. There's a filter, like a reusable filter. That goes in there. That then goes down. And then I imagine water goes in there. Yes, water goes in that flap there. So I'm not sure. Obviously the coffee bean. Oh, I will have to obviously. Oh wow, there we go. There's the grinding bit in there. So that grinds the beans inside there, and then the water goes through. Yeah, ingenious. I thought it'd be a separate grinder, but there you go. And then obviously, yeah, all functions. Okay. Well, what I'll do is I'll get this set up. I've got some beans ready to go. We shall try our first tasting. Okay, so we have water for 8 cups. We have coffee beans. Now, I've already done a test one and it wasn't strong enough. Oh, must put the jug back in. There is one feature on here which I'm not happy about, but I'll cover that in a minute. So I've primed it. It's got 8 cups, set up for 8 cups, and yeah, 8 cups, and that's the strong setting. Okay, so we press this button and then the grinding will start. Ready for the noise? Very loud, but it is grinding coffee beans. Didn't take long. I can smell the coffee beans, and then the filtering will start any minute now. There we go. Starts bubbling. So once that's brewed, oh, it smells gorgeous. Once that's brewed, taste test. Okay, so the coffee is now brewed. That's 8 cups, nice and strong. I'll try that in a minute. Now then, yeah, the hot plate's still on. 40 minutes. I'm not sure what that 11 is all about. 12, not sure. It's probably counting up to 40, not sure. Anyway, this is the bit I'm not too keen on. Is part of the mechanism for grinding, or no, it's not, it's the lid. As you can see, coffee grinds are there, and it's not detachable as far as I can tell. Oh, it is. There you go. Oh, look. That is detachable, so it can be washed. Oh, well, I was going to say that was a minus point, but as it's detachable, it's not. So that can go in the sink. And yeah, everything comes out. That's your coffee grinds, or grounds, in there to put into a mulch, or however you get rid of yours. But yeah, on the whole, I am thoroughly impressed. So I'm going to do a taste test. Okay, that keep warm. Oh, okay. More soon. Okay, so here I am with my cup of coffee. Oh dear. Yeah, that's a strong cup. I do like strong coffee. That was on strength number 8. 8 cups. Strength number 2, and this is the coffee beans that I used, Lily Classico Classic Roast, and very nice too. Yeah, I shall be trying different coffee beans. I've got some Costco Colombian and a couple other different brands. I shall be giving them a try out and do a taste test. But for now, I'm going to say goodbye, and for the Chester Grind and Brew, I will give it 9 out of 10. No, actually no. I'd give it 10 out of 10. Ease of use, easy to fill, easy to grind. Very 9 out of 10 because of the noise. It is a little bit noisy, but you know, we'll be doing it at 3 o'clock in the morning, waking everybody up with it. You can set it for a timer, so obviously when you get up it's already done. Will I be getting rid of my 1 cup go machine? Probably not, because I've still got quite a lot of ground coffee which I know I can use in the Chester, but for just ease of use for the 1 cup on the go, just fill it up and go. For longer drinking sessions, so to speak, weekends and that, I shall do the ground beans, or grind beans. Okay, well thanks for watching, and please comment, like, press the like button, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.